Hi everybody, it's Russell Markham here from VectorVest. I'm going to show you how to find some of the best fundamental and technical stocks each and every day on the ASX using VectorVest. I'll elaborate shortly. Just before we get going here, just moving myself out the way, please note our license numbers. In addition, general advice only. I cannot give you any personal advice. Past performance is no guarantee of future results. With that said, let's jump into VectorVest. So what I've done here is I've loaded up VectorVest and I've gone to this tool here under viewers called Stock Viewer. Stock Viewer will sort and rank all of our stocks each and every day for the best combinations of both fundamental and technical analysis. Don't worry about all the other columns here. Very powerful analysis. Just worry about the top ranked stocks here. So these stocks here are ranked with the best combinations of fundamentals. So think of fundamentals as building blocks, right? Those are the building blocks of companies. So companies with good, solid financials, good management, companies that consistently deliver, etc., etc. Those are fundamentals, right? Fundamental analysis, typically numerical, right? So you're looking at all the key things, are earnings growing? How's cash flow looking, etc., etc. Now, you can often buy a very good company that's got solid fundamentals, good financials, but that company falls in price and you're going, I don't understand, because the company I bought has very good fundamentals, very good financials. Why is it falling in price? And it's often to do with the fact that the technicals behind the company are going down. Right? So a company can be a very good quality company, but it can still fall in price until such time that it picks up again. So what we then do at VectorVest is we overlay technical analysis. So that's showing companies where the share price is going up in price. And I'm going to demonstrate it here by just graphing a handful here. Okay, let's move myself out the way. Let's maximize it here. And all I want for you to do is to concentrate on two lines. Right? Don't worry about all this great functionality in VectorVest. I want to keep it nice and simple. Look at two lines here. First line here is the blue line, EPS. Earnings per share. This is looking at the earnings. This is a 12-month leading forecast on earnings. Earnings, rising share price. But not always, because you can have rising earnings, but at points in time, you can have the share pulling back. Notice here, the technicals pulling back. So this is technical analysis, our relative timing on a scale of 0 to 2 indicator. We want this to be above 1 and rising. So here, for example, it breaks above 1, it continues to rise and hold above 1. The earnings continue to move up. Fundamental technical analysis, you put the two together, away you go. So you can see here the share price was, what was it at the time, $1.50. It's risen all the way to $2.20 odd. Okay, and you can see it time again repeating itself. Let's move on to the next stock. Look at this. Look at how the earnings are exploding upwards here on SQ2. Good upward traveling there on the earnings. The technicals start lighting up here. So here you have both fundamental and technicals. Away it goes. What's the price at that point there? $97, and it rockets all the way up to, or should I say 97, all the way up to 140. Okay, going back here. This one here's interesting. Technicals break out here and hold above 1. They haven't fallen, and the earnings continue to move up. Very nice. Where's the price on this one here? $1.14, all the way up to $2.28 odd. And every so now and then you'll come across one where it really jumps out at you. Look at the earnings on MFF Capital. Brilliant, right? Brilliant set of earnings there. Notice the technicals. The technicals have been above 1 on a scale of 0 to 2. Our technical analysis here, it's been above 1 ever since around about November of 2023. You can see here, November 2023. Earnings continue to grow. Technicals never fell below 1. You've got fundamentals and technicals in your favor. You've got a price there of around about $3. Look at $4.66 as of, where was this, the 9th of January. Moving on a bit more here, GMD. So in recent times, you can see the technicals pull back, broke below 1, and then here we go, it breaks above 1 again. Earnings continue to kick up, and up it goes in price. Pro Medicus, arguably one of the best earnings profiles in VectorVest. Globally, looking at US, Canadian stocks, European stocks, you name it, this would have to be one of the best out there in terms of an earnings profile. Textbook, brilliant set of earnings here. And if you pull it back over a few more years here, Look at this over 5 years, just absolute textbook earnings. And so then it's just a matter of just lining up your technicals with your fundamentals. So here, in more recent times, the technicals break above 1, the earnings continue to power on. Where was the price? $148. Now it's $269, and away you go. So make 2025 the year where you really take control of your money. Use VectorVest. If you haven't already taken out a trial, not a subscriber, take it a trial to VectorVest, www.vectorvest.com.au. On our webpage there, you'll see you can take out a 30-day trial. Give it a go. Hop into Stock View and identify some of the best fundamental and technical stocks that money can buy each and every day. VectorVest makes it really simple to do. Just a few clicks in the mouse there, we were able to identify some brilliant stocks for 2025. Hope you got a lot out of this. Until next time, bye for now.